Hello children, how are you? Alright children, today in our resource room class, we are going to take a look at some animals that live on a farm. So before that, I would like to know if you all understand what a farm is. Do you know what a farm is? Alright, I'll tell you. So children, a farm is actually a place where all the fruits and vegetables are being grown. Okay, and there is a person who takes care of the farm. That person is called a farmer. So here, if you take a look at the picture on your screen, you will see this man who is standing here. He is a farmer. So I'll just highlight it. So he's a farmer, and this farmer grows the fruits and vegetables on the farm. And on his farm, children, farmer keeps some animals. So if you see in the picture, you can watch some animals on the farm here. So there is, there are pigs here, there are sheep here, there are cows here, there is a horse here. So these animals that a farmer keeps on the farm, these animals help him in some or the other way. Now, a farmer cannot keep a lion on the farm. Do you think a farmer can keep a lion, a monkey on the farm? No, a lion is a dangerous animal. If a farmer keeps a lion on the farm, the lion is going to kill all other animals. And if he keeps a monkey on his farm, you can imagine what a monkey is going to do on the farm. He's going to be really naughty and create all the, fuss on the farm. So, a farmer is going to keep those animals on the farm which would help him in some or the other way. Now, first of all, let's take a look at a farm, how a farm looks like. So a farm, children, looks like this. They are big, they are huge with lots of plants, lots of vegetables, lots of fruits growing. And on the farm, you will see lots of animals also. Okay. Now these animals that live on the farm along with the farmer are called farm animals. Now today children, let's get started and see the animals that live on the farm. So the first animal, yes, we all know what it is. It is a cow. Now children, as I show you the farm animals, I'm going to also make you hear their sounds and also the babies. What are the babies of these animals called? So we are going to learn two things today. We are going to learn the name of the farm animals, their babies, and we are just going to enjoy their sound as well. Okay? So, the first animal that lives on the farm is a cow, children. Now, can you think and tell me why would a farmer keep a cow? Do you get anything from cow? Can cow help a farmer in any way or can give anything to the farmer? Yes, a farmer keeps a cow on the farm because a cow gives us milk, right? So that is why a farmer keeps a cow on his farm. Now that's a mama cow, children, and the baby of a cow is called a calf. A baby of a cow is called a calf. It will be really nice, children, if you can repeat after me. So all of you say cow, calf. Yes, good. Okay, so when we speak together, that is how we learn, right? This is how we do it in the school. Okay, the next animal, children, is a pig. A pig. So a farmer keeps a pig on his farm. And why would he do that? Can you think? Okay, I'll tell you. Sometimes there are some people who eat the flesh of a pig. All right. So a pig is kept on a farm for its flesh. Now take a look here. That's the mama pig, and the baby pigs are called piglets. So I want all of you to repeat after me and say pig, piglets. Right. So babies of a pig are called piglets. Now the next animal that a farmer keeps on his farm is a sheep, children. Now can you think and tell me, why would he keep a sheep on the farm? Alright, a sheep gives you wool. Now wool means ऊन, जिससे आपकी मम्मा आपके लिए स्वेटर बनाती हैं, right? So a sheep gives us wool. So that is why a farmer keeps a sheep on his farm. Now a baby of a sheep is called a lamb. It's called a lamb. So all of you repeat after me. Sheep, lamb. Good. That's great. Okay. Now the next animal. Yes, you guessed it. All of you know what is it? It's a horse. Now children, can you tell me why a farmer would keep a horse on his farm? Think, come on. Alright, I'll tell you. A farmer keeps a horse on his farm because a horse helps a farmer carry load. Okay? So, वो farmer horse के ऊपर ride भी कर सकता है और उसके ऊपर सामान रखकर लेकर जा सकता है कहीं पर, right? So a horse helps him carry load. Load मतलब सामान, heavy, कुछ भी heavy सामान. Okay, so that is the reason a farmer keeps a horse on the farm. Now a baby of a horse is called a colt. C-O-L-T, colt. All right. Now, everybody repeat after me. Horse, colt. Horse, colt. All right, let's move on. The next animal is a goat. Now, does this remind you anything? The story, Wolf and the Seven Kids? Oops. Now you know. What is a baby of a goat called? Children, what do you call a baby of a goat? Yes, they are called kids. Remember the story? Wolf and the Seven Kids. Okay, so this is a mama goat and this is a kid. Now children, why would a farmer keep a goat on his farm? Yes, a farmer keeps a goat for its flesh and also for milk. This is a mama goat and her kid, right? So goat and kid. Please repeat after me. Goat, kid. Now sometimes children, a farmer even keeps a hen on his farm because a hen would give eggs, right? And he also keeps a duck on his farm because children, a duck also is eaten for its flesh, is used for its flesh and eggs. A hen baby is called a chick, hen, chick, and a duck's baby is called a duckling. All right, a duckling. So that's a duck and those are the ducklings.
All right, children. So this brings us to the end of our presentation. And now I'm going to end it with a beautiful song which is called A Farmyard Jamboree. So let's listen to this song and enjoy it.
Aye, what a fine duck. Quack, 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 quack. One day that duck gave me a duckling. I had a duck and I had a duckling. I had a hen and I had a chick. Ay, 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 ay. How I loved my 4 little pets. Uncle gave me a purring yellow cat. Ay, 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 what a fine cat. One day that cat gave me a kitten. I had a cat and I had a kitten. I had a duck, I had a duckling. I had a hen, I had a chick. Ay, 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 ay. How I loved my 6 little pets. And he gave me a barking black dog. Ruff, 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 ruff. Ay, 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 what a fine dog. Ruff, 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 ruff. One day that dog gave me a puppy. I had a dog and I had a puppy. I had a cat, I had a kitten. I had a duck, I had a duckling. I had a hen, I had a chick. Ay, 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 ay. How I loved my 8 little pets. Brother gave me a bleating white sheep. Bah, bah, bah. Ay, 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 what a fine sheep. Bah, bah, bah. One day that sheep gave me a lamb. I had a sheep and I had a lamb. A dog, a puppy, a cat, a kitten, a duck, a duckling, a hen, a chick. Ay, 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 ay. How I loved my 10 little pets. Sister gave me an oinking pink pig. Ay, 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 what a fine pig. One day that pig gave me a piglet. I had a pig and I had a piglet. A sheep, a lamb, a dog, a puppy, a cat, a kitten, a duck, a duckling. I had a hen, I had a chick. Ay, 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 ay. How I loved my 12 little pets. Mother gave me a mooing brown cow. Moo, moo, moo. Ay, 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 what a fine cow. Moo, moo, moo. One day that cow gave me a calf. I had a cow and I had a calf. A pig, a piglet, a sheep, a lamb, a dog, a puppy, a cat, a kitten, a duck, a duckling, a hen, a chick. Ay, 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 ay. How I loved my 14 pets. Father gave me a neighing gray horse. Ay, 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 what a fine horse. One day that horse gave me a colt. I had a horse and I had a colt. A cow, a calf, a pig, a piglet, a sheep, a lamb, a dog, a puppy, a cat, a kitten, a duck, a duckling. I had a hen and I had a chick. Ay, 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 ay. How I loved my 16 pets. My friend gave me a little guitar. Ay, 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 what a fine guitar. And every time I played my guitar, my pets all came from near and far. The horse danced and the colt danced, the cow danced and the calf danced, the pig danced and the piglet danced, the sheep danced and the lamb danced, the dog danced and the puppy danced, the cat danced and the kitten danced, the duck danced and the duckling danced, the hen danced and the chick danced. They all danced and I danced too. Ay, 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 ay. How I love all of my pets.